ready?
Ready.
All right. I got a ninja sitting next to me. He think he about to karate chop somebody. What's up, Last Cast? We finally back. It's been a minute. Christmas just passed, but the New Year hasn't hit yet. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And that's right, I said Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. None of that Happy Holidays.
I don't believe in that.
You better say it for what it is. But anyways, we back out here. We're about to hit the South Delta, try to catch some stripers, some largies. And I did bring a little crappie rod with me. But there's some giants in the South Delta, and we gonna find them. So, yeah.
As always.
Nope. I ain't listening to that.
Going for
I ain't listening to that.
One fish.
This fool's listening to one. But I brought something for him to help him catch his one. So, let's see. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Funny that we did this.
I'm still in the Christmas spirit of giving. So, Speaking of, he ain't got nothing for me. Look, let me see that thing I just gave you.
Oh yeah.
Look at this. Look at this brown paper bag special compared to, look at that. Ho, ho, ho. Look, you see?
Your niece helped me wrap it. Now you can't say anything.
Not only that, look at the tape on this. What,
Did I not just say,
what's this?
Helped me wrap it.
She's
She's only 2 years old.
This fool wrapped a gift with electrical tape. Anyways,
But wait, there's more, like a bad infomercial.
this food said, but wait, there's more. And if you can't tell, it is a bit chilly out here. I got the bibs going, long johns with the bibs, but wintertime fishing.
We're getting it.
About to be 2022, but we chose trying to get it in 2021. What you got back there?
Bam!
You guys, I'm not into showing brands, but you see what he just got me? That's so nice of him. Look at that. That's so nice of him. Now go ahead and open up your thing.
Hello?
Will you just open it?
Good wrapping job.
Probably care about the wrapping job.
Good thing. Good wrapping job. Oh, okay. I see what we did here.
What you got in there, player? Is that a? Oh, did you get a mag drive too? Y'all see that?
Boy,
He got me a mag drive, and I got him a mag drive. Look at that.
And the dark sleepy.
And the dark sleepy.
That's so funny because I almost got you that color.
Now I don't know if these baits catch fish, so I'm not advocating for these baits, but I heard they catch big fish. So
Appreciate that.
hey man, I don't even know how to open this.
You just gotta go for it.
Okay. What do we got here?
A color you ain't never seen.
The OG?
Yeah.
I can't even open this thing. Well, look at this bad boy.
About to do some damage.
He says it's about to do some damage. I can't. It's the gloves. I can't get it.
Gotta be the glove. Gotta be the glove.
Gotta be the gloves. All right. Look at that color. Pink.
About to do some damage.
All right. We back out here with that A rig.
I seen that and was like, man, he gotta get one of these.
Well, you know that is the color that I have.
What?
The one that you got me?
Oh, the trout?
Yeah.
Or the, not trout. Which one?
What is extra funny about that is I bought the color that I gave you and the trout one, and I was like, I'll hook Nick Bass up with this. So you almost got the trout one right back. Which is hella funny. Do, 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 do. Hey, just so you know, this is my new replacement rod, so don't break it, because this is the one that got replaced from you breaking. So don't break this one, and don't be standing behind me like a jackass.
You guys want to know the truth about it. Somebody didn't look before they did stuff.
No, that is absolutely not what happened. You see all this space right here? This is all my space for casting. Somebody was standing right here when I went to make my cast and broke my rod. My bad. Oh, that's horrible.
What tell you you broke off?
Dude, not broke off. Oh,
and
look at
gentlemen.
that. This is my most expensive rod. Look at this. And I blame you. Oh. Well, this is not a good start to my Monday on the Delta. Ordinarily, I'd be really, really pissed at this, which I will be later, because this is a G Loomis. You supposed to be at the back of the boat doing this shit. And that was a long time ago, months ago, like 8-9 months ago.
Bringing it up.
Because I just got my new rod. And a shout out to G Loomis. Their warranty replacement program is awesome, because I believe the rod I broke was an E6, which they don't make anymore, and they upgraded me to this GCX. So
What I'm saying is I did you a favor.
yeah, but I didn't have a replacement rod for 9 months.
But you got a much better one, man.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Like he did something besides be something he shouldn't have been, standing right down behind me. Talking about what? Oh, there was a follower. How can they resist a jerkbait? Oh, had him. Oh, there was my first strike. Had to have been a small fish, but uh-oh. Uh-oh, looks like a good fish. What is it?
Oh, go ahead and net it.
He's got a good striper. Somebody,
Him on the swim bait.
somebody's getting some striper tacos. Is that
Tacos today. He getting kept.
that mag draft?
That's that mag draft.
Oh boy! Look at that! Look at that thing. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
That was him, huh?
Yep. Fucking short strike. Throw in there. In the wintertime, you don't get second chances. The fuck did I just hit? Sounds weird when it hit the water. Actually, that's where you hit that top water at before.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah. Me, you, I think it was Mark. Which way is he going?
It's so rude.
Huh?
I don't understand that.
The fuck?
This is what I don't get about boater etiquette. You see people get
Seriously. Wow, okay.
fast boat.
All right, last cast, we're done. Wintertime fishing at its finest.
That was hard. It definitely was challenging.
What time is it?
It's almost 4.
So it's almost 4 o'clock. First line went into the water just before 9.
Man.
And it's 4 o'clock now, so we put in a good day's worth of work, and I got skiz-owned.
Caught that first fish within what? 20 minutes?
It's like within, yeah, 20 minutes, first half hour. So that was a good striper that he caught, but whew, we tried to go to some old spots in the South Delta, but the hyacinth stopped us.
Stopped at that.
And then I didn't feel like running super far past like Discovery Bay and all that. So we went to some oldies, which were supposed to be goodies, but no goodies. And yeah, but I got a smile on my face because I've been out here fishing and it's been so long that I forgot what it felt like to skunk.
Man.
And I was reminded today.
It's definitely fun though. I mean, either way, it's challenging. You know, you got to just figure out what they want, where they are, what they're willing to actually commit to. I mean, you had a couple times where they would short strike, not commit to it, like 1 or 2 followers throughout the day. It's not saying a lot, but it was fun. You know, it definitely gives you something to work for and work on when it comes to, you know, trying to do this here year-round fishing thing.
Yep. We haven't even hit the coldest days yet, so more tough times to come, but I'm enjoying myself, so
It's all good.
yep. I don't have anything else. You?
No, I'm good, man. It was fun. Got my 1 in the boat.
No comment. But hey, the bait that he got me for Christmas is what caught him in striper, so I thought that was pretty cool. So until next time, throwing up the deuces.